Okay, guys, just can you confirm whether you can see my laptop screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so welcome, you guys. This is regarding career planning in the building construction industry for building construction related freshers. Freshers means new people, okay, or else the students or those who are already involved in the building construction industry. I am Marwan Sufyan. I have started my career in 2008 in the construction industry in Qatar. Then I continued it designing and consultancy, and then design and construction, and then surveying works, and worked in many places. Okay, and then in 2013 itself, I've started providing lectures, the vocational training for the engineering related students. Okay, started giving lectures to high national diploma or engineering students. Then again, I have intensively providing vocational training. Okay, for example, AutoCAD drafting, BIM fundamentals, Revit architecture, and MEP system and drafting, and MEP system design. And then these are some of my students who are progressing in Middle East successfully. And there are a lot of students. If you check, I have already shared this link, okay, or else you can scan this barcode. Then you can see all the reviews. So not only Sri Lanka students, there are students all over the world in other countries as well. Okay, so that's a brief about me. Okay, now let's get into the subject. How to become a successful person in the construction industry. So if you have some kind of an idea, okay, I want to put myself in the construction industry and I want to become successful in that, and I want to get a good salary, maybe in a short period of time. Okay, in that case, how do I take my next step? Okay, that's what I'm going to explain. What I'm saying is, you consider yourself as a fresher, okay, and this explanation I'm going to give is suitable for the fresher and also those who are already involving in the industry. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the complete idea so that you can take the decision as your own. You don't want to ask someone else. Okay, that's what I'm going to do.
Okay, sir.
Now if you come to this construction industry, why you are trying to learn something? Because you want to work as a role. You need a role, we call it as a designation in the construction industry. Why you need a designation? Because you want to earn money. That is a short thing. Okay, so directly if you check in the building industry, there are some professionals, there are some designation like draftsman, technical officer, architect, quantity surveyor. See, the CAD draftsman, 1.2 to 2 lakhs, MEP draftsman 2 to 3 lakh, okay, and CAD and BIM modeler, okay, BIM modeler 4 lakhs, okay, BIM coordinator 5. If you check BIM manager, again minimum as an average, you can get 5 to 8 lakhs. Now, say all what I told is what are the designations we have, what are the job roles we have in the construction industry. We'll say this box is a construction industry. Okay, and inside the construction industry there are job roles. Okay, we'll say these are the job roles. Okay, we can find CAD draftsman and the 3D visualizer, BIM manager, and for these we have different numbers, salaries. Okay, and we'll say this is you. What you are trying to do is to go there, to take those salaries. Okay, but what you need in between is there are three things. Number one, educational qualification. Number two, vocational qualification, and number three, work experience. Okay, so which one you need? Okay, sometimes you may start work experience first, then you start learning. Sometimes vocational qualification, sometimes educational qualification. So you can start from anywhere, doesn't matter. I'll briefly explain what is educational qualification. So we start from O levels and A level schools, then we do diploma, HND, then BSc, bachelor degree, masters, PhD. So this path is called as what? The educational qualification. This takes time. So you have to work hard, spend money and spend time. And then the second thing, first one is the educational qualification. The second thing is the vocational qualification. Vocational qualification in the sense these are short courses, 3 to 6 months or 3 to 5 or 6 month courses. Okay, so for example, as I'm providing some courses, okay, like AutoCAD drafting, then BIM modeler, BIM coordinator, and MEP system and drafting, MEP system design. So these are maybe 2 month or 3 month or 4 month courses. Okay, so if you complete this course, then you can directly go and work as a professional, as a draftsman, as a BIM modeler, as a BIM coordinator. Okay, like that. Then which is best, selecting the educational qualification or vocational qualification? Any answers?
Vocational qualification.
Yeah, vocational qualification is the answer that I'm normally getting from the students. Why? Because the short period, you have to spend less, okay, and the effort also comparing to HND and degree, it's low, okay. But actually my suggestion is, what you can do is you can start with anything. You can start education qualification, vocational qualification, no problem. But as time goes on, you have to mix not these two things, you have to balance three things, that is vocational skills, educational qualification, and work experience. So let's analyze with one example. We'll say there's a student, okay, we'll say student A, he completed his O level and he's following the CAD course. Okay, that is a vocational skills. No? I have given a graph here. Okay, in the x-axis we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, that is number of years. We'll say this is first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So he completed the course maybe within 5 months. Then work experience, he is going to Qatar and having a job. So initially 1 lakh, after 2 years with experience 1.5 lakhs, or maximum he will get what? 2.5 lakhs. Okay, he has not updated his educational qualification, he didn't update any vocational qualification after this. Now my question is this okay? The problem is, this is not okay. Why? In the sense, after 4 years, there will be some people, if the company kicks him out, okay, put him out, he won't be able to get a new job, because the new people will have what? More skills. They have more vocational skills, more educational qualification. So this person will fail. Okay, see, I'm just not giving the presentation, I have the practical example, okay, actual example, those who have trapped into the company like this. Okay, so I'm going to give you an overall idea what you're supposed to do. So I'll take another example. Okay, before moving to the student number B, I just want to confirm whether you understood this graph and what I am talking.
Yes, sir. We understand.
You are getting the point, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we'll say student B. Okay, he also following the same CAD after O level or A levels. Okay, and same fashion he go to Qatar and get the salary. Okay, 1.2 to 2 lakh salary initially. We'll say 1 lakh. Then he can start what? HND in Qatar while working. And if he already learned this Revit, and after 1 year he can work as a Revit modeler. See, the salary is 4 lakhs. See, after 1 year he gets what? 4 lakhs. If you check the previous example, student A, see, after 4 years also 2.5 lakh, na? Okay, so this vocational skills gives what? Without HND, okay, without HND, whether he does the HND or not doesn't matter. With a CAD and working experience and Revit, and you can become as a Revit modeler, 4 lakh salary. So this is actually there are 5 bullet points. Okay, each bullet points are actually targeting or pushing a student into a particular designation. So if you complete this course, you will be able to work as a CAD draftsman anywhere, maybe in Sri Lanka or Middle East or maybe in English countries. Okay, immediately completing the course, a student should be able to work as a professional. That's the purpose of doing a course. We'll say you are doing a course and you have the certificate, and if you say no, I don't know this, I cannot work, then it's not the way. So while enrolling in these courses, you get what? The industry's practicals, okay, the trainings. Okay, so this will lead to become a BIM modeler, and this will lead to become a BIM coordinator. Okay, and then MEP system and drafting or MEP system design courses. Okay, so these are what vocational training. Okay, and feel free to check this link. So you can check this link to find these reviews about the course or how they progress, and I have given all their contact details, okay, numbers and email IDs, so you can get some idea, okay, right. Then currently I'm also doing some of the students for Middle East, okay, some of the students who are already working in Middle East, like some students from Qatar and Dubai, some are from Sri Lanka as well, the MEP system and drafting. So normally this is happening exactly as we are doing in the classroom, okay, as we are doing now, okay. You can see the screen, guys, you can see my screen, okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Can
it is exactly, the class goes exactly like this. You can see myself and also what, the screen. Additionally, when we go through the practicals, I will be able to see the students desktop also, okay. So if there's any problem, I can quickly check student number 1, 2, 3, 4, their desktop also, what they are doing, whether they are doing correctly or not. So to make the online learning what exactly same as what the physical classroom, okay. Then additionally, you will receive the recorded videos, okay. After finishing the course, okay, I'll provide the same recording as a video and it is sent to you. You will be able to download. So if you have anything, if you missed anything or distracted or internet connection gone, okay, no problem. You can check those videos and update yourself for your future reference, okay. Right, so that's all the thing, okay. So guys, since the time is limited, I gone through a little bit faster, okay. I hope that you understood. Now if you have any question, you can ask, okay, in English or Tamil, no problem, we can discuss.